Well, if you're just joining us, the great Shea is providing yet another incredible Christmas tree removal. We're going to send it down to Bob on the floor.
Well, the mood is absolutely electric down here, Steve. Shea never seems to disappoint. He's got just a couple of floors to go, and the crowd is loving it. There's been so much drama surrounding this tree. Everyone knows the story, but in early December, Casey left, of course, for about a week there, and mid-December, his wife failed to water the tree, leaving what can only be described as a decrepit, dried-out beast that has made this removal all the more difficult and spectacular. It's truly a sight to see. So poised, graceful, a perfect tree removal if I've ever seen one. It's magnificent. A great day for America. Steve, back to you in the studio.
Thank you, Bob. There you have it, folks. Amazing. We now take you back to our regular scheduled programming.
This is the laziest sweeping job I think I've ever seen.
Yeah. Not why they invented vacuums. Why do we use a broom? Please stop calling me. Please stop. God, you're so annoying.
Langin and Casey, yeah.